Hey everybody, it's Nazar with Nazarasfinecrafts, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do crochet things, yarn related things, kit reviews, that kind of thing. Today we're going to be doing our works in progress and finished objects video for the month of November. If you are not new here and you've been here a little bit, then welcome back and hello. So like I just said, we're doing our works in progress for the month of November. I worked on a few things, sent them out, packed them up, but I did take a picture or two of them. If y'all watched the videos from last month, you saw the alligator drugs. I had to do another one of those and send that out. Very happy customer. Those seem to be very, very popular right now. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go into, if you remember these as well, these are the Merry Prairie stockings from Cloudy Day Crochet. I need to remember that. You need to do the toppers on these, and then I need to go ahead and, I also do embroidery, so I need to sew that on there. Cut it, trim it down, and sew it on there. My hair's getting everywhere. I'm shedding like a dog. I also did some embroidery on some towels for a friend. She said her kids were arguing over the towels and not wanting to reuse them, so she was doing a lot of laundry, so I went ahead and sewed their names on, or embroidered their names onto their towels in the color that they wanted. That was really sweet. I didn't take any pictures of those because they're just white towels with names. So let's see which way to go next. Also been working on, my sister-in-law loves gnomes, so I went ahead and did some gnome towel toppers. So it's just little, these are from Nana's Crafty Home. So these are flour sack kitchen towels, and then you just have little gnomes with their nose poking out. The button's not supposed to be there, but I didn't make the loop big enough for the pom-poms. I had to buy the pom-poms after because I didn't have any, but so I just put the button under there, but I think it'll be fine. And then I like to reuse things that I don't need anymore. So if any of you had children, you'll recognize these almost immediately, but these are links that for kids' toys and things like that. I don't have any babies in my house anymore, so I found these and I couldn't find the wooden links or the plastic rings anywhere right now. So I had these, and they stand up pretty well to the washer or the dishwasher or anything. So I went ahead and sanitized these, cleaned these up, and put these on here. I don't think she'll have a problem with that at all. It's kind of a personal thing from us anyway, to give my baby stuff away. But so I just use those links. They're pretty sturdy. They don't rip apart, and they turned out pretty cute. Let's see what next. Working on some corner to corner crochet. It's a custom blanket that I got an order through Etsy. I do have an Etsy shop if you want to check that out. It's in the link below. I also have a Facebook group and an Instagram page. So but yeah, so this is a corner to corner custom one. So I am doing this kind of free-handed with a graph, and we'll see how those turn out. I have a little while to do it. They're not a Christmas gift or anything, so that's kind of nice. I'm just kind of gradually doing those. And then I have a friend that has a channel as well. I'll link her channel down below so you guys can check it out. She's a local gardener here. She's just started her channel. She's actually like a tiny urban gardener, so she only has about the size of my craft room here to really work with to garden, maybe double, but it's really small to work with. So if you want to go check her channel out, we're going to be doing a countdown to Christmas, 12-day countdown. So we'll start like the 13th and then it'll end on Christmas Eve, the 24th. So start looking out for that. Go ahead and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when those videos start. But we're exchanging gifts for the holidays. So for 12 days, we're going to exchange something small. So, well, now I don't know if I want to show you guys, because I've been working on a couple of things for her. I think I might go ahead and just save those for the December works in progress, so that I don't really spoil her videos. But definitely check those out. And then I've been working with my Cricut. I have a Cricut Explorer 2. Cricut Explorer Air 2, sorry. And I've been working on these cute little boxes for Christmas for those that are local around here, that I'm giving Christmas cards to. I thought they were cute. Anyone with kids, they would love them, you know. They actually, when you pull off the top, they kind of flower open. So with snowflakes and all that, they're pretty fun. And so that is all I've really worked on this month. Yeah. Oh, no, I forgot about this. So my son has a lot of stuffed animals, and I am not a fan of stuffed animals. Anything I make crochet-wise, he claims like immediately. So, I wanted to make a net for the cubby next to his window for his stuffed animals. So I did a double wrap stitch, just increased, put 2 extra on each end, so, or 1 extra. Alright, my camera's driving me nuts. So anyway, it cut off on me, and I didn't figure it out till I was editing the video. But so I did this netting for my son's room. It's just a double wrap crochet. I extended it on each end, just added 1 to each end on top of the one that was there. It's an increase, that's what it's called. And then, so if you've never heard of a wrap stitch or never tried a wrap stitch, I do have a video, I'll link it up above as well as down below, that you could try that out. It's a tutorial. I actually have 2 of them. One was with a darker yarn, so I ended up doing another one with a lighter yarn. So I'll link the one with the lighter yarn for you guys. And then, yeah, so that is all I've done this month. Sounds like little to nothing, but it's not. And we'll see you guys later. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit those notification bells so you can see the countdown to Christmas videos and everything like that. And we'll see you guys later. Bye!